Once upon a time, there was a young boy who loved to build towers from wooden blocks. Day after day, he'd set up his blocks, carefully stacking them higher and higher. But each time, just as he was reaching his goal, someone would call him away, or he'd look over and notice what others were doing, and he'd leave his work to check it out. Then, when he returned, he'd find that his tower had fallen, or he'd have to start all over again. He'd lost so much time, all because he couldn't keep his focus. In many ways, you are like that boy with his tower. Every one of us has a unique purpose, a goal to reach. But too often we let our focus waver. We look around, drawn in by others' ideas, others' desires, and others' paths. And while we look away, our own dream, our tower, is left unfinished, gathering dust. So, my dear child, this is what I want you to understand. Focus on yourself. This teaching isn't about ignoring others or shutting out the world. It's about nurturing the dream that's been planted within you, recognizing it as something sacred. When you look after yourself, when you give your energy to your dreams, something amazing begins to happen. It's like watering a plant and watching it grow tall and strong. But if you neglect it, distracted by the weeds and wildflowers around you, that plant cannot thrive. What does it mean to focus on yourself, you might ask? It means learning to say no to the distractions around you. It means recognizing the value of each moment and choosing how to spend it carefully. Every day is like a coin. Once spent, it can never be reclaimed. Use it wisely, for your dreams are worthy of your time. Do you know how crucial it is to shield our focus from the endless demands and interruptions of the world? Do you know comparison can sneak in, and it is like a thief in the night, stealing not just our joy but our direction? The world will always offer endless things to worry about, endless problems to solve, and countless paths to follow. Yet none of these things are your tower. None of these things belong to the unique, beautiful journey only you can take. When we waste time chasing after things that don't matter, we miss out on the power within us. Time is not just hours ticking on a clock. It's the energy that fuels your dreams. The same time you might spend fretting over what others think, you could invest in learning, growing, and building something that's truly yours. It's like magic, and you alone have the key to unlock it. Start each day with a clear intention. Know what matters most to you, and let this goal be your guiding light. Just like a ship steers toward a distant shore, you must hold tight to your own direction, unmoved by the waves of distraction. Remember the value of silence and stillness. These are not empty moments, but spaces where our dreams can breathe and grow. When we're still, we listen to our own heartbeats, to the quiet whisper of the dreams within us. In those moments, we find our true direction. As you move forward, remember that focus is not something given. It's something you must cultivate, day by day, moment by moment. The world may try to pull you away, but you must be like that young boy. Keep building your tower, stacking each block with care and purpose. Soon, you will look up and see your dreams, standing tall and real before you. In focusing on yourself, you honor the gift of life that's been given to you. And in doing so, you will find not just success, but the kind of happiness that no one else can take away. What will you choose to build with the precious time you have? Comment below your answer and let others be motivated by it.